In this video, we're going to look at a brand new camera battery charging system from XTAR, the SN4. First of all, I would like to say a big thank you to XTAR for providing me with this preview kit. If you stick around to the end, I'll tell you more about the price and Kickstarter campaign, plus how you can get up to 40% off for early adopters. With that being said, let's take a look at the charger itself. Like the VN2 we have looked at previously on this channel, the SN4 features a swappable charging plate system, currently available for the Canon and Sony system. These are the backplates options, but I think and I'm hoping XTAR will release more plates in the future. The main unit has a USB Type-C port for power with 4 LED indicators at the front to show the status when charging and the current amp. Depending which kit you purchase, a 45 watt power adapter is included, which I have used to run the following tests. The charging times varies depending on how many batteries and capacity is being charged at the same time, but generally speaking, 1 or 2 smaller batteries takes around 2 hours to charge. The bigger NPF batteries, for example, rated at 8,800 mAh, took around 4.5 hours to charge, 2 at the same time. When I combined these 2 bigger NPF batteries together, along with 2 LPE6 batteries from Canon, it took an extra 30 minutes to charge, and the 2 bigger NPFs took 6.5 hours to charge, so about 2 hours longer in general. No product is perfect, but in all honesty, I can't find much to dislike with this system. The only thing I would say is that I wish and hope they will release other charging plates for Fuji or maybe even the Canon BP-series, since I have those cameras in my camera bag. I would love to use this single charging system rather than having multiple USB chargers, in particular for traveling, for example. If you have any other battery requests, let them know down below by leaving a comment. Hopefully they will see it and add them to the collection. So now let's talk about the price and availability. At the moment, XTAR is planning to launch this as a Kickstarter campaign. I have a link down below in the description if you want to find out more. There's going to be different sets and priced accordingly. For example, set A comes with the charger, a NPF charging plate, a USB cable, and an optional extra plate. For the early birds, it'll be priced at $39 instead of the usual $69. The second set adds the 45 watt charger for $59, again for the early adopters, or it will go back to the usual price of $92 afterwards. The third set comes in at $69 instead of the usual $116. That will come with the previous mentioned parts, along with a travel case and a total of 3 optional plates altogether. Again, check out the Kickstarter campaign for full info and other sets as well. The links is down below in the description. So let's wrap things up then. Honestly, some people might not be very interested in battery or battery chargers, but personally, I like gadgets and cameras, and batteries and maintaining them is an integral part of owning these devices. And I'll be happy to use anything that would make it easier to charge all my batteries. I have a bunch of USB chargers, and this is genuinely something that I would consider buying or swapping over. The ability to charge 4 batteries and swap between them is a lot easier and will keep my kit much smaller. Before we wrap up, here's my final words about Kickstarter campaigns. As you may know, Kickstarter projects usually have some sort of risks associated with them, such as not going through to the end. Make sure that you understand how Kickstarter works before you commit and buy into this. However, with that being said, I have a feeling, this is purely my guess, that this is pretty much greenlit by XTAR. It's just being launched in a different way to the market. It kind of reminds me of those Sirei anamorphic lenses, which were like crowdfunded, but it was pretty much production ready anyway. So yeah, just make sure that you're aware how everything works. Anyway, a big thank you to XTAR once again for letting me preview this kit, and a huge thank you to you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please consider giving me a like. It will help my channel out greatly. My name is Joe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.